right, let's see what's going on, man.
All right, I want you to act like it's really hard, all right?
You're already halfway there, so let's
Don't
see.
make us feel silly, you know? Like I need you to struggle real hard.
D'Artagnians. All right, which one we got?
This one right here.
Yeah, the impact wouldn't turn it.
But those won't even get on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bigger. All right, so it done swole up on you.
Is that
All
what
right,
happened?
yeah, those forward or bad with those lug nuts. I got something for you. Just in case. Yeah, those lug nuts, over time, they go bad, they swell.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I deal with this a lot. A lot of times you have to remove them by actually removing the metal cap over the lug nut. 20. All right, let's see.
Just like that, Brandon.
Gotta get your Hercules, man.
Gotta get the Hercules. You gotta go off for free.
Yeah, man. Gotta get your Hercules, man. And word of advice.
Wherever you can take it from here. Yeah, we are struggling.
Pull.
Oh, we got the jack. Yeah. Word of advice, give it to us.
Yeah, on the rear.
Is that little thing in the middle? Would you jack up on there?
Yeah, I would use
okay.
I would use the rear end.
Contemplated that when we were like one?
It look dangerous.
I just didn't know what that was. Like, what is that piece right there?
That's the rear end.
Oh, okay. I thought it was some type of tank at first.
Nah.
Yeah, as you can tell, we're experts. Yeah.
Well, y'all gonna be experts after the day, man.
There we go. We out here to learn.
I asked her, are you making like a YouTube channel with your cameras?
Yeah, I do YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, man. So yeah, y'all gonna be on all three of them, man.
Hold on, wait, edit our statements out.
These guys over at LSU don't know what they're doing.
Nah, I wouldn't say it like that, but I mean, you know.
You said part in about I need to get a Hercules.
Maybe Harbor Freight give us a discount.
So yeah, edit out where we had it, Jack.
You didn't know, bro. I mean, that's all that was. You didn't know, man.
We should have known probably, but.
Yeah, I do 100 of these a day, so I mean,
Well, I think you and I talked this morning.
Oh, that was you? Yeah.
So,
yeah, okay.
and I was like, man, and then they trying to send me Papa-Lock. I didn't know Papa-Lock.
They do, but they aren't.
And then they canceled me. Like, Papa-Lock canceled me. I was like, oh, okay, well, I guess they're not coming. And then it went back to you. I was like, I think I talked to this guy this morning.
Yeah, that's me, man.
So you think I need to buy a new lug?
Yeah, that lug is damaged, so you definitely want to replace that.
Okay.
Either that or get you
a Hercules.
A better tool set, not necessarily a Hercules, but a Hercules would help. But
how much is that Hercules impact?
Oh man, I think it was. I don't want to be. I know it was over $100 for sure. But you could go on Amazon and buy the flip sockets that come with a half-inch size bigger, because that's all that's going on with your lug nuts, man.
I wish they would have called you last night.
I would have came out last night. Well, no.
They called somebody and they canceled after an hour and a half of waiting, 2 hours. They canceled it. They couldn't get in touch with them. And then they called in somebody else. Sorry, we're sending somebody else. They're coming from New Orleans.
Wow.
And he goes, all right, I'll be there in an hour. I said, no, I'm done.
Wow.
We ain't doing that.
Oh,
man.
Me there?
You have a pump there.
Gotcha, man. Yeah, so look at that. I still ended up getting the job anyways, man. I told you, man, we could have just confirmed. I would have been here on time, man.
Well, I told him we live in a messed up world, man. I didn't want anybody, then I'm stuck out here for real.
Nah, I wouldn't have stuck you.
I know, but some people would. They wouldn't be honest.
What's your YouTube?
Yeah. Tell about it.
My YouTube is Whos Roadside.
Whos Roadside?
Yeah,
Okay.
WHOS.roadside. And maybe you can